welcome back to my channel. We are going to unbox this beast. You might have already seen what bike it is because I have put it in the thumbnail. But this is an Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, first in India. It's a 2025 model and the color is also next level. There is no other bike which is sold in this color in India. So this is the first motorcycle to be sold here in Motoplex, Hyderabad. We are going to unbox this motorcycle. I am going to introduce to the owner as well, and then we will see how this motorcycle is. And first time on my channel we are seeing a RSV4, that too it's made in the Noailles factory. It is not made in India, it's straight from the Noailles factory, and it costs somewhere around 38 lakh Indian rupees. That's a huge amount of money for a leader class motorcycle, and hence this video is going to be amazing. So sit back and relax and let's get started with the video. So he is the proud customer of this motorcycle. His name is Dinesh and he is going to unbox this motorcycle. It's an RSV4 1100 factory 2025 model, first in India. So bro, how do you feel unboxing this motorcycle? Like, what is your feeling? I want to know.
For the past 6 months we were trying to take the bike, and just now we got the bikes on hands, and I'm looking forward. And I don't know, this is my second bike.
Alright. So have you ever been on a liter class motorcycle before?
ZX10R.
Yeah.
I used to have a ZX10R.
So he has owned already a ZX10R and now he is going for an RSV4. So this is a next level monster. It has more than 200 bhps. So we'll see how the motorcycle is. I know the color, but I want you guys to see what color it is, because this is the first motorcycle in India to feature this color, and it is happening here in Hyderabad at Premier Automobiles dealership. So yeah, let's unbox this beast and see what it has to offer. Please go ahead. This is the battery of this beast. It is so small, but it packs a lot of power. It was not installed in this. We are going to install it, and you guys are going to see the first crack of the RSV4. So this is a V4. You can listen to the sound of it. So this is the Aprilia RSV4 2025 factory model, and this is one and only in India. You can see this particular paint scheme you will not be able to see in any other motorcycle, and it is coming on the RSV4. Right now it is on the stock exhaust. And one more thing that I have noticed is this bike gets with an engine casing, and also these are the Olin suspension with the Brembo brakes, and this will be a next level brake. And you can see it has completely electronic suspension and also comes with a cruise control over here. Let me switch on the console and show it to you. This is the cruise control notification, and it has a lot of things inside this. So many things are there. I am not going to fiddle around much with all these things, but it has all the bells and whistles which a liter class super sport motorcycle needs to have in 2025. Now when I heard the exhaust note, this is one of its kind. You will not get this kind of exhaust note in any other inline 4 motorcycle, because this is a V4. It has that continuous growl even at the lower revs. And also when you look at this particular rear tire, right, it has Daimler Rosso Corsa, and it is very soft compound tire. I'm not sure whether the delivery is happening today or not, but whenever this beast goes on the road, it will be a next level monster. I am super fortunate to see this motorcycle in person, and what a day it has been. We have already installed the battery in this, and also we have done the first crank. The bike is hot right now. So yeah, let me know how did you find this motorcycle, and this was only one in India. So yeah, let's conclude this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.